Hello Kenta friends. In today's video, we'll be discussing the best banner maker applications for Android. If you're someone who needs to create eye-catching banners quickly and easily, you're in the right place. We've done our research and narrowed down the top 3 banner maker apps that we think you should check out. So let's dive right in and explore these amazing applications. Banner Maker Design. Banner Maker Design is the best banner maker application for Android that allows users to create banners easily and quickly. This application comes with various design features and tools that enable users to customize the size, color, font, images, and other elements of the banner. Users can also add animated text, backgrounds, and special effects to make the banner more attractive. Banner Maker Design also offers a collection of ready-to-use banner templates, making it easy for users to choose a template that suits their needs. Banner Maker Pro. Banner Maker Pro is an advanced and feature-rich banner maker application. With this application, users can create high-quality and professional banners. It offers additional features such as selfie shooting with face recognition, voice recording, and richer color settings. Banner Maker Pro also provides cloud storage options, allowing users to quickly save and share their banners. The application has an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it suitable for users who want to design banners with professional results. Banner Poster Maker. Banner Poster Maker is an application for creating posters and banners quickly and easily. It offers a variety of attractive templates and designs, allowing users to create attention-grabbing banners. The application also comes with intuitive design tools such as image cropping, drawing pencils, and filter effects to enhance the quality of the banner. Users can add text, images, icons, and other shapes to their banners. Banner Poster Maker supports various file formats, making it easy for users to save and share their banners with others. This application is suitable for users who want to create banners quickly and without the need for complex design skills. And that brings us to the end of our video on the best banner maker applications for Android. Whether you're a business owner, a social media manager, or simply someone who wants to add a professional touch to your banners, these apps have got you covered. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.